connection with the Delhi fire tragedy. The accused will be taken to the hospital. Top sources have informed Republic that Delhi police is likely to take him to the spot. He will also be questioned at the hospital. Furthermore, sources have informed that due to the fire, the DVR has been completely destroyed and they do not have access to any CCTV footage from inside the hospital. And that's the big breaking news that we are getting you viewers at top of 9. The prime accused, Dr. Naveen Kichi, who is the owner of the baby care hospital in Vivek Vihar of East Delhi. He was arrested and now he will be taken to the hospital for questioning. Meanwhile, joining us live on the story is my colleague Simran from the spot. Simran, a very good morning to you. We're learning that Naveen Kichi will now be taken to the hospital for questioning. We know that this comes after yesterday the FSL team was at the hospital and conducted the forensic check. And now what will the officials really be looking to know when they take Kichi to the hospital?
Well, definitely there are more avenues to the probe that haven't been explored as of now. Well, what we are also picking up from our two sources in the Delhi police is that the main accused in the hospital fire tragedy, Naveen Kichi, Dr. Naveen Kichi, will be taken to this spot likely today. And also to get him to the spot is the idea that where was he when the accident took place, and to also check with him about the details and to cross-check with him on the comments and the statements that he has registered so far in the police custody. Remember, the police has also been granted 3 days of remand of the main conspirator, here the main accused, Dr. Naveen Kichi, and the another accused in contention, Dr. Akash. The police is also investigating on the role of Dr. Akash into getting more patients to this hospital where the lives of 7 innocent newborn babies were claimed, and also to actually check about through which ways they were using all these licenses, and to also get more information in the probe about how many years from this center was being run. So all these detailed questions are definitely on the fray, and the Delhi police is investigating on the role of both the accused, as both of them are in the police custody right now in Vivek Vihar police station. It is important to note that more details will be coming forward in the hours to come, or maybe till 30th of May as well, till the police completes is one part of the investigation. But what remains to be the top focus right now is that the accused will be taken to the spot where already the FSL teams and many more teams which were on the technical part of the probe were present. They have collected the evidence, and more information will be gathered in the hours to come to help the Delhi police carry on their probe more thoroughly.